This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting the essentials. Get your last 3 months of statements and recurring bill info. Create a Notion Finance workspace and a master page, then add separate databases for accounts and transactions. Once done, define common properties, date, amount, category, account, and tags. Make sure to use consistent currency and date formats so formulas work. Start entering recent transactions immediately. You learn faster by doing. This sets a reliable foundation for automations and reporting that come next. Next, you construct the middle. Build a transactions database and relate it to an accounts database and a categories table. Add roll-up fields to pull current balances and monthly totals. Use formulas to calculate running balance and reconcile flag. Once linked, create filtered saved views, monthly, upcoming bills, and unreconciled. Make sure to standardize category names so roll-ups aggregate correctly. You'll also add keyboard-friendly templates for common transactions to speed data entry and reduce errors as volume grows. Finish by building a dashboard that surfaces charts and key metrics, monthly spend, income versus expenses, and your savings rate. Once done, add recurring templates and reminders for bills and an import routine for bank CSVs to speed updates. Make sure to test automations with a few entries before fully trusting them. If numbers look wrong, check for inconsistent date formats, duplicate imports, or category mismatches. Fix those first. Finally, schedule a weekly review so your Notion system stays accurate and useful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.